I will show you how you can make the timer transition by using CapCut clips. Let's start. So first I need to go to Media, then Library. Click on Library, go to Scenery and bring the first clip into Timeline. Then bring the second clip. I will add timer clips from CapCut library in between two clips. Go up and choose Trending and then choose this timer. Add top of this to clips in between position. Reduce the timer clip size. Go to Video and Basic tab and go to Blend. Choose Mode Screen and reduce opacity. Add text for first scene. Add text for second scene. Export. Final outcome. So if you like this video content, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.